really bad at not doing my little pre-morning interviews in the truck. That's what I planned on doing this whole season. And I ain't been doing that. But anyway, it is May the 15th in Georgia. Got hen tracks right here in this road. But that means today is the last day. The last day that we get to get up and come out here in the mornings and try and chase these birds and get up under them on the tree. It's bittersweet. I'm gonna get right up here to this hill. I'm not worried. I mean, yeah, I'd love to kill one this morning, but I'm not that worried about killing one. I just want to get to talk to one. If we get to hear one and he decides to fly down and come in and I get to shoot him, that's great too. That'll be awesome. But I just want one last opportunity to talk to one. That's my main goal. Dust bowl right there. These hens are definitely walking this road. I don't know if the gobblers are or not. I'll tell you one thing, it's a pretty sunrise, that's for sure. Y'all can't really see it if I do that. You can see it now. I think the best course of action is going to be stand here and listen. Because these birds are not talkative. They ain't been talkative anywhere. The one good thing about this spot is I know these hens hanging out here. I know it's the last day of the season. And these hens probably done been bred, but that still don't keep a gobbler from hanging out with them, even if they've been bred. Gobbler still likes hanging out with hens, regardless of if she's been bred or not, because he don't know, unless he's the one that did it. But that's what I'm saying. If there's a hen there and he finds her and he comes up here and she's willing to at least hang out with him, he's gonna come and hang out with her. So there's a lot of dust bowls and a lot of hen tracks, which, I mean, I don't know. I know gobblers will make dust bowls too, and they'll take baths in the dirt, but I've never seen one do that. It's always been a hen. If I've ever seen a turkey make a dust bowl, it's always been a hen. But there's also hen tracks, so I know there's hens hanging out right here. There's got to be at least a couple of them hanging out over here. So that means there's a good chance there's a gobbler somewhere, even though it's May 15th. So I'm going to stand here and I'm going to listen, and I'm going to give it a little bit, and then I'm going to hit the call. I want to stay right here because I can hear, like, a long way, that way, that way, that way. Plus, if there's a turkey somewhere, they can hear me too. Alright. It's been about 15-20 minutes. Time to give it a spin. Haven't heard anything yet. There may not be any gobblers left. Alright, well, I think all the turkeys are gone. I think all the gobblers are gone. I don't think there's many more gobblers left. I say that because I know this place. They said that this year has been probably the best year as far as people killing turkeys that they've had in a long, long time. And I think two reasons for that. One, we had way more gobblers. We had more turkeys this year I think we had more turkeys this year than we've had since I started hunting 20 years ago. Maybe it was kind of like that 15, 20 years ago, but because I do remember mornings where you could get up and go hear 6, 8, 10 gobblers. It still ain't like that. But right now, I think this year was as close to that as it's been in 20 years. There's no doubt about it. The whole Southeast, especially Georgia, Alabama, and Tennessee, no doubt whatsoever, we had way more gobblers than we've had in a long time. And number two, along with that, you also had way more people hunting every single day than you normally do. So it was like a perfect storm for turkeys to get killed. I don't think it was just because of coronavirus. Stupid COVID-19 is so dumb. It sucks. But I don't think it was just because of that. That was part of it. Nowhere near as many turkeys would have gotten killed. But it still wasn't all of it. It was that, and we had a lot of turkeys. It was a perfect storm. But we'll see how this morning goes. I gotta get on the ball here. I guess I'm gonna go to the truck. I might hit the call before I walk back to the truck. Good thing is I'm not far. I'll hit the call before I go back to the truck, and then I'll get to the truck and bear down. Go and hit some spots. Hopefully I can find a turkey gobbling somewhere. There's gotta be a bird that wants to gobble, that needs a hen somewhere. But it is slim pickings. We're gonna go to the truck. Run and gun. See if we can find one. Well, I walked back there. There wasn't no turkey back there. It's about lunchtime now. It's about 12 o'clock. And I'm about 100 yards, 150 yards from the truck. So, I believe that's a wrap for 2020 Georgia turkey season. I don't think I'm going to go back today. I think I'm going to tap out. Let these turkeys have it. They done, I mean, I've tried and tried for the past 3-4 days or whatever it is. And they have whooped me for the past 3 days. I've put on a bunch of miles. And haven't heard any turkeys. I've only heard, last time I heard a turkey gobble I think was 3 days ago. But that was a wrap. That's a wrap for the turkey season. It's been an awesome year. I mean, I only killed one turkey, but I should have killed way more. Half of the videos y'all didn't even get to see, and that's my fault. But I got on a bunch of turkeys. Phil tagged out. He had a really good year. He got on a bunch of turkeys. So I mean, it was a really fun year. A lot of. It was kind of weird, you know, with the COVID and that Corona junk, which that's unfortunate. I hate the Corona. It was a very unique turkey season. That's for dang sure. So we're gonna put this in the books, and if y'all want to see anything else, like us, comment, let us know what you want to see. If you want to see something, we're gonna make more videos. We ain't gonna just do turkey hunting stuff. I mean, that's what we're gonna be known for, is turkey hunting. But we're gonna do videos on all kind of stuff that's turkey hunting related, and we'll do some stuff that ain't, you know, just hunting and outdoor related in general. But if y'all want to see some videos that you know, if y'all got any ideas for a video, if y'all want us to talk about something or anything really, we'll make a lot of videos talking about the way we hunt. Me and Phil's got different styles for sure. I mean, we're real similar in a lot of ways, but we're not in a lot of ways. We got different styles. It's like Phil likes to use decoys. I don't like to use decoys. So I mean, you get both ends of it, you know. And it's just cool that we do different stuff. But y'all take care, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all subscribe, hit the notification button. Yeah, I can't wait for 2021. But y'all will see us again before then. Peace out. That's how they do it. Ain't this how they do it?